Hey folks, it's Russ. Today's Tuesday, December 23rd, 2025. I hope you're having a great day. In this video, we're going to talk about silver breaking the $70 mark, setting another new all-time high, and why us silver stackers are just getting started. But before I get into it, if this is your first time on my channel, welcome. I've been involved in the work from home space going on 20 years now. Been working full-time for myself since 2018. And it's my true passion to help others generate mailbox money using social media and direct mail marketing. So with all that being said, $70, all right? Silver broke $70 an ounce. And last time I checked it, it was close to $71. So it's just gonna, it's just getting crazy, okay? And people are really starting to notice silver, more and more people, because it's being talked about all over. And all the news outlets are talking about it. It's just the thing. Silver's the new Bitcoin, in a sense, because not many people stack silver. Not many people even think about precious metals when they're thinking about investments, right? But this is a new psychological, it's a major psychological and technical milestone, because we've been talking about this. I've been talking about this for months now in my videos, how the experts that I listen to have all predicted that silver would hit $70 by the end of this year. And we're finally there. All right. And now the experts I'm listening to, the same experts I'm listening to, are predicting silver is going to be in the triple digits sometime within the first quarter of 2026. So I'm not an expert on any of this. I can't guarantee anything. But, the people I've been listening to have been right so far. And the reason why silver is on this super bull run is simply because supply can't keep up with the demand. Right? I mean, silver is used in so many different things, particularly now, AI and all these AI data centers that are going to be built and that they're building. Silver is just at an all-time high demand, right? And so there's a finite supply of silver, and because of that, it's driving the price of silver up, okay? So we've never seen a demand for silver like we are right now. And, aside from the AI data centers, it's used in all of our electronics. It's used in electric vehicles. It's used in batteries. It's used in solar panels. It's used in the medical field. I mean, water purification systems. The list goes on and on and on what it's used for, all right? There's just so many different applications that silver is used for. And because there's a finite supply of it, and because it can't be reproduced in a lab, right? That's why they call it God's money. Silver and gold, God's money. Been used as a currency for thousands of years, and it's held its value for thousands of years, and will continue to do so. So people are waking up to this, and they're realizing, hey, you know what? We better start getting some silver. And I'll just say this, you want to get physical silver. You don't want to be having paper silver, something that, I always buy physical silver, because I know that is, I can access it anytime I want to. It's something tangible that I have in my hand that if I need it for anything, it's right there. I don't have to, rely on a third-party company to get me my silver, right? So you always want to buy physical silver. But that's the only thing that can be trusted, physical silver, in my opinion, because I see a lot of these places now, people have all this silver on paper, but then the supplier doesn't even have that much silver on hand. So how does that work? You know what I mean? You want to have physical silver that's sent to your doorstep that you can hold and touch and put in your safe and access anytime that you need it, right? So what I'm doing is I'm part of I work with a company who's been in business for 6 going on 7 years now. And what they allow me to do is or anyone to do, is to set up an auto wealth delivery where you can have silver and gold, if you prefer, sent to your doorstep on autopilot. every single month. So you don't even have to worry about it. You don't even have to think about it. It's just an automatic investment that shows up at your doorstep every single month. And they get all of their coins from mints, okay? There's no third parties involved here at all. All of their shipping and packaging is done under surveillance. All orders come with tracking and insurance, and you don't have to worry about, you know, receiving fake silver or gold, right? It's the real deal. And then on top of that, they take part of every sale, a percent of every sale, and they send that off to Feed My Starving Children, which is a nonprofit organization that helps feed starving families all across the globe. And to top it all off, if you become a wealth ambassador of the company like I am, they will pay you up to 7 different ways for sharing the company and the opportunity, right? So it's just a win-win. I just got a storage low on my phone, so I'm gonna end this video. But this is, you know, this isn't hype. This is about wealth protection. This is, you know, silver is a hedge against inflation, and you're trading fiat currency backed by nothing for something that has real value and something that's going to continue to go up, all right? So we're just getting started here. All of us silver stackers are just getting started, because this is, you know, $70 is nothing compared to where this is going to go, right? So I got to end this video. I have really low storage, and so I got to clean up my phone, I guess. But anyway, if you're new to stacking, if you're interested in this, I'll leave a link down below here. You can go and get a free silver bar just for checking out our opportunity, and it's our way of saying thank you for checking us out and to help you jumpstart your your silver stacking journey. So visit that link, freesilverbar.com, and reach out to me if you have any questions, all right? So this is just the beginning, folks. It's just the beginning, all right? I've been saying this for months. It's just going to keep going up from here. So I appreciate each and every one of you. I look forward to seeing you all in my next video. And until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you. Thanks for watching.